Hello everyone, in today's video we'll show you how to clean up cache files so your PC can run faster and therefore improve your PC's performance. The very first place we can clean up our cache files will be under Windows Settings. Now let's go to the Windows search and type in Storage. In here, make sure that you have turned on the Storage Sense. This is a new Windows 10 feature to monitor your device and free up disk space automatically. As you can see, there's a list of how your storage is being used and where you need to free up disk space. Go ahead and click on the link that says Configure Storage Sense or Run it now. Here you may change the settings appropriately. For instance, choosing which timeline you want, or just run when disk space is low. You can go through the drop-down and set up your preference. In the OneDrive section down below, this is a new cloud-based storage that Microsoft offers. If you haven't activated, don't worry about it, just leave it as never. If everything looks good, just click on the Clean Now button down at the bottom. And it will tell you right away how much space you are able to free up. Hey, remember, in the comment section, let me know how much space you have cleaned up. Let's go to the File Explorer. Click on the C drive on the left, and then Windows. Scroll down the list until you find the folder called Software Distribution, and then click on Download folder. In here, it contains a lot of cache files that you don't need anymore. If you like, you can also go to the right-hand side, right-click on the folder, and choose Properties. Here you can find out all the information about this folder. Now you can select everything by pressing Ctrl-A and then Ctrl-D to delete all, or you can right-click and select Delete and click Yes to confirm. Next, go back to Windows Search and type in Location. Choose Location Privacy Settings. Here you can scroll down until you find Location History. So just click on the Clear button to clear the cache file on Location History. You can also clean up your cache files by going to the browsers. For me, I'm using Chrome, so go to the top right-hand corner, click on the ellipses 3 dots, and select Settings. In here, you may need to scroll down and find Privacy and Security section. Once you find it, click on the Clear Browsing Data. Here you have different options to choose what type of cache files that you need to delete. You also have options to pick different time range. For me, I will choose all time. And I'm gonna check everything. There is a Basic tab right next to the Advanced tab. Everything looks good, so we can click on the Clear Data button. It might take a while depending on how much cache files you have on your PC. After it's done, you can close it out. Let's go back to the File Explorer. On the left-hand side, click on C drive. Click on View on top of the menu, and then Options on the right-hand side. Under the View tab, click on Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, and then click Apply. Now go back to the General tab. Under Privacy section. In here, you can simply click on the Clear button to clear all the File Explorer history. After it's done, click OK. Now right-click on Windows Start. Select Run. Type in Prefetch. Click OK. Click Continue on the warning dialog box. Inside the folder, if you like, you can go to the right-hand side, right-click, and see the properties of the folder. Now you can hit Ctrl A to select everything, and then hit Ctrl D to delete everything, or you can just right click and select Delete. And then click Yes to confirm. If you get a dialog box, just click Skip. So anything that your PC is still using will remain in this folder. And at this point, you're done. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Until then, we'll see you next time.